Hello everyone, today we're delving into the world of Moringa. Here at Daac Reviews, we've put together a comprehensive review video packed with everything you need to know before considering a purchase of Moringa. The first thing you must know about Moringa is, be cautious of where you're buying it from, as Moringa is exclusively available on the official website. So, what exactly is Moringa, and does it truly work? The answer is a resounding yes. After extensive laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that yield excellent results. Moringa oleifera is an exotic plant with incredible medicinal properties. It's native to India and also grows in tropical parts of the world such as Asia, Africa, and South America. Known by various names like drumstick tree or miracle tree, Moringa has a rich history rooted in traditional medicine. From ancient Indian beliefs in its ability to cure hundreds of ailments to its prominence in Ayurvedic medicine today, Moringa has been revered for its healing effects throughout history. So yes, you can trust this product. Countless individuals have experienced great results with Moringa, as evidenced by numerous customer testimonials on the official website. However, it's essential to remember that each body responds uniquely. There's something vital you need to know before purchasing. You can test Moringa for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you're dissatisfied for any reason, they'll refund your money. Rest assured in using Moringa, but ensure you're purchasing from the official website to secure the benefits of this guarantee. Additionally, for Moringa to work effectively, you must take the treatment seriously. Take 2 capsules of Moringa once daily with any meal. Otherwise, you won't see significant results, and you may become somewhat frustrated. While initial results may manifest within the first month, most people experience optimal results after 2 months of consistent use due to its gradual effect. It's also important to note that Moringa has no side effects as it's entirely natural. So, I've recorded this video to caution you about where you purchase Moringa and also to emphasize the importance of adhering to the treatment regimen if you decide to buy the product. Remember, your results will vary significantly from others because your body reacts uniquely. I genuinely hope this video has provided valuable insights, and I hope Moringa significantly enhances your life, along with the many other benefits it offers. Thank you for watching. Until next time.